crazy over there. So, then, because of Yuka's graduation song, I bought every copy of Please Mini Skirt Postwoman. I really love Smile Edge a lot. Actually, I bought 6 copies because I said before, I bought one for my friend. So, I got every copy. Hopefully, it's in my order. Hope so, anyway. Okay. Okay, I got regular. I'll start my regular to B. So, not regular. It's actually cuter in real life. Oh, the CD, the disc is really cool too. Um, Yuka though, she wasn't like my top favorite member. Well, my favorite member is Ayaka, and now Mimi. Probably. I like them all, but but Yuka, she was a bit low compared to the other ones, but like still liked her and all. She's cute and all. It's just but since Smile Edge is my favorite group, I thought as a fan I should support them, so I bought all of them. It's a good song though. Glad it is. When this is a thing. Yeah. Oh, cute. Okay. Here's the cover, and here's the back. It's quite similar, but they don't have the markers or anything. Really cute. Like they have really cute poses. Right. Wow. And very red. Red lyrics. And they have little post things. Really things in the blogs and the managers. Really cool. So that's that cover. The CD itself is really cool too. It has like letters with like balloons and the mail thing. So you can't really see well, but that's what it is. That's regular. And I think this is A. Hope this is A. I think it is A. Yeah. A. Or is this A? B. Yeah. I really do not know. Anyway, I'm going to open it. I like this cover a lot. Ah! Oh, this is better. Here's this thing again. It's pretty much the same on all of them. Oh, how nice. Oh, it's not coming out. Oh, yeah. It's not coming out. Oh, oh. Sorry. Actually, yes. Why is this like? Okay, it comes with this thing, and in the back it says. Pretty sure it says loser, cause actually today Aji, Naruto, and Anya when they were fighting, they were trying to build teamwork with Sai and Yamato, and the thing of Yamato's like clone said loser, and then it said this on it, and I was like, what the hell does that mean? And no, it said it meant loser. So it says loser. I don't know why, but it does. So I guess I didn't win anything. Ha ha ha. You can't skim it with. Okay. Oh, it's still not coming out. Okay. Alright, got it. So, cover. And I really like the back. They all have nice legs. Feet. Really cool and nice. They look pro Akari, so cute. So that's that one. Oh! The lyrics. Right. Like the other one. Same thing, I guess. This single is very red. I hadn't realized. Very. But ooh. Okay, I can't get the CD out. Oh, my legs are. Can't get it out, yo. Oh, I got it. Okay, but the only different thing is the CD is blue, has a broom. When don't really know why there's a broom. So that's the CD. Oh shoot. Or that's DVD. No, it's a DVD. My bad. It's a DVD. The CD is pretty much the same thing as red though. I'm gonna switch them because I can. Ah, shoot. Wait a minute. Chocolate quick style. I'm bad at singing. Okay. Oh, the DVD is so difficult to get in and out. So, this is the thing. And I put it the CD, I think I showed you. Sure. So that's pretty much that one. Slide over there. So I think this is the I like this cover too. Nice. Ah, don't you hate it when you put to sleep and then you get like that feeling like it's pins and needles. I got that at the moment. It sucks. But I gotta fix my hair.